Meanwhile, we are learning that the opposition is all set to move the no confidence motion. In fact, the latest we are picking up that almost 70 signatures that have been collected, the signature campaign that is going on by the opposition. But the no confidence motion, I beg your pardon, no confidence, that has not been submitted yet. All opposition MPs have signed it. The no confidence motion against Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar in Rajya Sabha, and as much as the opposition understands that they do not have the requisite numbers, but they are wanting to do the same in order to send out a message against Jagdeep Dhankar. Let me cut across to Riyanka joining us on the broadcast with further details on the same. Riyanka, with regards to 70 signatures that have been collected, who all are these opposition MPs and what exactly is the plan? Because the opposition understands they don't have the requisite numbers, but they are doing this to send out the messaging against Dhankar.
In fact, earlier as well, we had seen that the opposition MPs, which included TMC and Samajwadi Party, they had signed a similar no confidence, which was then submitted. And today, another, leg of no confidence has been submitted. It has been signed by 70 opposition MPs. 70 signatures has been collected by the opposition, taken on no confidence. The signature campaign is going on, but the no confidence has not yet been submitted. All the opposition MPs have signed it regarding the way of conduction of the house by Jagdeep Dhankar. This is the opposition coming out and once again making in signatures in a no confidence, which is to be seen how far does this go. But on the other hand, we see that there are disruptions that have been caused by the opposition time and again, no functioning of the house, and it looks like it is a complete hijacking of situation by the opposition. Also on one side, it is the BJP which is calling on for a discussion on the Congress-Soros angle. But yes, several such developments are taking place with the latest breaking development coming in. The opposition signing around 70 signatures by the opposition MPs, which is likely including the TMC and Samajwadi Party, who are not part of the protest, but they have signed the signature. They have given their signatures and they have given it for a no confidence motion.
All right, Riyanka, do stay on. Let me also bring in Samiksha, who's joining us from the newsroom. I believe she'll join us shortly, but the fact also remains that this is not the first time that the opposition has gone on to execute this idea. They've come up with this idea even in August, but they did not go on because they knew that if the motion does get passed, they will be defeated. They do not have the requisite support. They will not be able to prove it in terms of numbers, but they are bent upon proving and putting out this message that they're not given a chance to speak up, and that is what they are attempting to do. Riyanka.
Well, attempts from the side of the opposition have been quite straight, and they are being quite adamant on their attempt to corner the government. And in the past also we have seen that they have made similar signatures, but as we know that they do not have the numbers in the parliament, which is why it is most likely to not be favor of the opposition leaders. But the notice with around 70 plus signatures by the MPs from the Congress, from the TMC, from the Aam Aadmi Party, from Samajwadi Party, DMK, RJD have been submitted to the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, and the notice was in fact submitted after both the houses got adjourned until tomorrow. Well, we know that the houses have been adjourned. There are several adjournments that have been witnessed due to the disruptions and the chaos that has been continued. But as the BJP MPs and those from the opposition clashed over various issues that we have seen, like I earlier mentioned, it is the issues of Congress-Soros link versus the Adani indictment issue. So yes, we have to wait and see what happens next. But for now, we are seeing that the India Alliance is quite united when it comes to the submission of the no confidence and the 70 plus signatures that have been collected by the opposition.
All right, do stay on with us. I'm being told that Samiksha now joins us from the newsroom. Samiksha, it was a very clear message by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, who went on to say, "Do not disrupt India's unity, integrity and sovereignty." Yet, as clear as it gets, and Prime Minister Modi had said on the first day of the winter session that every parliamentarian is being watched by the entire country, the opposition continues with the same rant.
Well, absolutely, Suyesha. And, it's said that the opposition MPs have been mulling to pass this no-confidence motion against Jagdeep Dhankar since the monsoon session. So it's said that we have 70 signatories for the no-confidence motion that the opposition intends to pass against Jagdeep Dhankar. In fact, that being said, the opposition has time and again said that they feel that Jagdeep Dhankar is biased. That is essentially the charge against Jagdeep Dhankar, who's a Rajya Sabha speaker by the opposition MPs. All of this, even as it's the opposition that has not allowed the parliament to function properly, with Jagdeep Dhankar and even the Lok Sabha speaker urging time and again that there is a need for that productive discussion that should happen in the House. We are now seeing that there are 70 signatories for the no-confidence motion that the opposition MPs intend to pass. However, they do not have the numbers, Suyesha. Remains to be seen how this pans out. But for now, we understand that the signature campaign is going on by the opposition. The no-confidence motion has not been submitted yet.